If you're like me, then you like keeping the inside of your vehicle clean. If you're also like me, then you don't do a very good job at it. That's why I went and picked up this Hercules portable vacuum from Harbor Freight. And I brought it home because I wanted to test it on my Jeep to see if it would clean the whole entire vehicle out with one battery. Then I realized that Harbor Freight advertises a 37-minute runtime on one battery. So I said, let's test it on 3 of my vehicles. Allow me to introduce you to the 3 test vehicles, all with their own level of messiness. First up, we've got the 1995 Suburban, which is my daily driver and probably the cleanest in the fleet. Next up is the 2020 Jeep Gladiator, which is pretty messy, but not the messiest. Last up, we have the final boss. This is my 2020 Ram 2500. This is the messiest vehicle I own. It is the road trip vehicle, the tow vehicle, and there is road trip snack debris all over this thing. I've wanted to get a better portable vacuum for a long time. I've got a little handheld, rigid, cordless vacuum that is really good for what it's probably designed for, but I use it for stuff it's probably not designed for and get it pretty nasty a lot and gum it up and always have to take it apart, clean it out, and repair it. I've also got a giant 6 horsepower shop vac, which is awesome. It's a monster, and but you have to lug it around, and my shop's down behind my house. All my tools and everything's in the shop, and there's times I just need something that can work as good as a normal shop vac, but is totally portable. This is cool because it can run off the 5 amp hour, well, any of the 20 volt system batteries, even though they advertise a lot of its specs with the 5 amp hour battery, and we'll cover that in a second. But this also runs off of 120 wall power, so you can plug an extension cord into it and keep on going. So I don't know, let's get it opened and unboxed and just kind of see what you get with it. All right, this is the last one my Harbor Freight had, so hopefully it's in good shape. Manual. I don't think there's that much to this. Now, like I said, it's advertised to operate off the 5 amp hour battery system or 20 volt battery system with the 5 amp hour battery for the maximum runtime of 37 minutes. And that goes right here. You plug it in with the cord on top of it. But it's got a HEPA filter. They sell replacements at Harbor Freight. Pretty straightforward. Cool. Yeah, they have the replacements for this right next to it. It has a hose. I'm totally using this. Where does it go? There's a blower on it. There's an intake. This is the intake right here. Feels like a nice hose. It's like a very dense hose. And there is a little grommet right here to stow the hose. I like to figure something out with the cord so it doesn't dangle everywhere. Maybe I'll make a little print that holds it, something, I don't know. For this test, we'll be focusing on the 5 amp hour battery, which hopefully will clean out all 3 vehicles. It's got an advertised 37-minute runtime when using this battery. But because all of my trucks are really dirty and they need to get cleaned, I've got this backup 2 amp hour battery just in case. And honestly, beyond the 2 amp hour battery, I'll be done cleaning the vehicles for today. So I'm not gonna use the extension cord even though I could. I'll just charge the battery and finish cleaning it later off camera. Now I'll be super scientific with timing this test using my iPhone. And I'm only gonna let the clock run when the vacuum's running because I do have a lot of stuff I've gotta move around inside each vehicle. But hopefully, and I'll move quick, I can get through all 3 vehicles in one shot. And that should give me a pretty good first impression on the vacuum that I can at least share with you in case you're also thinking of getting the same vacuum or a portable vacuum in general. All right, let's start. Cleaning time. About time it's cleaning time. Right away, I can tell you I really like the hose. It's flexible, feels very durable, goes back into place, and gets around objects very easy. It seems to have plenty of sucking power when running off the battery. As you can see here, it has no problem getting large snacks and also just sucking up whatever wrapper's in its way. Forgot we had practice last night. Not today. Not messing with that. I really need to pick up a set of the car detailing attachments for this thing now, just to make it easier with some of the crevices and some of the carpet. Okay, I'm at 27 minutes and 46 seconds. So I'm probably not as thorough as people that clean their car out all the time, but it's been pretty messy. So far it's done pretty good, and I think I'm probably, well, I don't know, I've still got a lot over here I got to clean up. Still got the seats, I still got the passenger side floorboard, so I don't know, we'll see. I'm going to do a really thorough job though. It's doing really good so far for what it is. All right, so I'm finished up. I am at 36 minutes and 12 seconds. Mission accomplished. 3 trucks, 1 battery, and there's still some juice left in its battery. It says it's got 2 bars, but you can tell it lost power, so I doubt it has much time left. And I bet that 37-minute run time that's advertised is probably continuous in a lab, just to make sure that this performs as advertised. But this did really good. I'm happy with it. It sucked up lots of debris. I got some Q-tips, I sucked some pens up, some small toys, keep that a secret, and a bunch of other stuff. Let's take a look at the removable bucket on the bottom of it, the tank. This will give you and I a really good feel for how well it did. Oh, that's gross. That's pretty good. That is some serious road trip funk and debris and nastiness. So it did good. I like this. I'm happy with it. I'm going to use it on all kinds of projects and stuff around the house, in the shop. You'll see it on the channel probably here and there quite often. So especially because I can pick it up and go. I'm going to have to get more batteries because now I've got several Hercules tools and only 2 batteries. So yeah. Well, I'm going to get going and get everything put away and move on to getting the Xterra engine out, which I can't wait to get that thing out because that truck has just been sitting around way too long. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you're in the market for a portable vacuum, pick this one up. It's pretty good. I'll see you next time.